Day 9 video 2, page number 8. This is Anne's family. The name of the people have been left out. Complete sentences with any name of your choice. It's up to you. This is your homework. Write date, CW and day and do on book. Write the proper nouns of the following in your notebook. Name the highest mountain, Mount Everest. Name of any river, Indus. Name of road on which your house is located, Kashmir Highway. The favorite cartoon character, it's up to you which one you like. Write here, Superman, Batman. A storybook that you like reading most, The Jungle Book, Cinderella, etc. I am writing these words on board. Note them in your notebook. The month of your birth, write here the date of your birth and day or date. It's up to you which one you know that. You know your favorite festival, Eid. A pet's name, Max, Tom. Name of the country in which you live, Pakistan. I'm writing this on board. Note down in your English B notebook. Extended exercise. Complete the crossword using the hint given below. Here are some hint and write the country names here. Okay, it's some country names and months of the year and days of the week. There, it's your HW. Let us extended exercise and exercise B is HW on book and this one is on notebook. Look at the board now. Okay class, open your English B notebook. Write date, CW day, grammar book, lesson number 1, proper noun. Define proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a special person, place or thing. For example, Ali, Islamabad or the Jungle Book. You can write more examples. Note down in English B notebook. After okay class, this exercise do on. Look here. Note down from the board.